Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. Today we are going to discuss about the Appium Doctor. What is Appium Doctor? How to use Appium Doctor and how to install the Appium Doctor and its usages. Okay. See, Appium Doctor comes under the tools component in the Appium ecosystem. Okay. And Appium Doctor is a command line tool. Okay, and Appium Doctor is used to diagnose and fix common Appium configuration issues. Okay, and it is used to validate whether a driver or a plugin has all its prerequisites and other environment details set up correctly or not. So in short, we can say that Appium Doctor is used to verify that our driver and plugins are properly configured or not. Okay. Okay, now we will see how we can able to install the Appium Doctor. Okay, we have to run a command, that is npm space install space appium hyphen doctor hyphen g. See, g hyphen g indicates that this package is installed globally and you do not need to install it in each part individually. Okay, let's open the command prompt. Okay, you see, in my system already Appium Doctor is involved. The Doctor is installed, so I not want to install once again. But if you want to install in your system, please use this command, that is npm space install space appium hyphen doctor space hyphen g. Okay, now I will verify, as I told that Appium Doctor is already installed in my system, so I'll verify it to check the what version I have installed here. So what I'm doing, I'm running a command appium hyphen doctor hyphen version. So it will show the which version of Appium Doctor is installed in my system. It says currently I am using 1.16.2 Appium Doctor version. Okay, as I told, Appium Doctor is used to verify that my drivers and plugins are properly configured or not. Okay, how you can able to verify it? So once again I go the command prompt here. So see, in my system, what I will do, I will run the Appium server here to see what all the drivers and plugins are installed in my system. See, available drivers are XUI test and UI automator 2, and plugins, I have reported plugin and images plugin. Okay, I'll close this Appium server. Now I will run this command to verify my UI automator 2 driver. Okay, Appium space driver. So I'm verifying the driver here, so I had to give driver here. If it is a plugin, instead of driver I had to give the plugin. Okay, now doctor space UI automator 2. Okay, so I am verifying that UI automator 2 driver is properly installed and configured or not. Okay, see, when you read the log, it says running 7 doctor checks for UI automator 2 driver. Okay, starting doctor diagnosis, and it will verify my Android Android underscore home and all other things. Okay, basically we have two types of fixes, that is the required fixes and 3 optional fixes. So it says it says 0 required fixes needed and 3 optional fixes possible. Okay, these are all the optional manual fixes. Okay, if you want to fix it, you can fix it, otherwise you can just leave it like that. Okay, this is how we can able to verify my drivers that is installed properly or not. Okay, the same thing we can do it for plugins. Instead of appium space driver, I had to use appium space plugin space doctor space the plugin name. Okay, like this, the plugin name I had to do it and run the command. Okay, now I'm done doing the for plugin. Okay, apart from this, to verifying this what's it, drivers and packages, appium doctor do some more things. That is, okay, appium will verify the dependencies, okay, of specific test environment before embarking on the test automation. That is, if I use iOS and Android, I can able to check the setup for iOS and Android. Oh, let's do how you can able to verify that my Android test setup is done properly or not. Okay, configuration says. Okay, so once again I'll open the command prompt here. Now I open the command prompt, new command prompt here, and I say appium doctor h. Here h means help. Okay, so it says these are all the options which is provided by the appium doctor. Okay, this is a version and iOS. If I use iOS to check the iOS setup, and for Android I will be able to check the Android setup. So what I will do, I will check the Android setup. So what I have to enter the command here, appium doctor space doctor space Android. Okay, yeah, so it will check my Android setup here. So it says Android related configuration. Okay, it will check all the my Android related configuration here. So it says, when you read the report, it says appium doctor version is this one, and it is checking all the necessary dependencies. Okay, so it check the node.js, node version, Android home, Java home, and all the things what all the is necessary dependencies it verified here. Okay, we have necessary dependencies and optional dependencies. Okay, so it verified all the my necessary dependencies, and next after verifying the necessary dependencies, it comes for the optional dependencies. Okay, it has verified here. So whatever the things we have needed, okay, we can able to install separately. Okay, and it will provide two things here, in info and wants, means what are not configured dependencies, it shows the warning. Okay, so we have, as I told, that we have optional manual fixes and mandatory manual fixes for these dependencies. Okay, this is how we can able to use appium doctor to verify my drivers and plugins. And apart from verifying the drivers and plugins environment setup, I can able to verify my iOS related configuration and Android related configuration. Okay, so this is the use of appium doctor. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to my channel. So keep learning and happy learning. Thank you. Bye.